With our intelligent digital solutions, we support our customers in coping with rapidly changing market conditions, environmental influences, and consumer demands. In doing so, we attach great importance to ensure that in the future, the Krones portfolio will be characterized not only by good mechanical engineering and individual digital solutions, but also by an overall picture of perfectly coordinated solutions that optimize the client's production along the entire value chain. In recent months, we've been able to benefit very substantially from existing digital solutions. Only thanks to modern technologies have we been able to conduct remote factory acceptance tests despite travel restrictions, to provide support via augmented reality support, and to commission lines with virtually connected colleagues.